What is up, guys? If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. This will be the first official drive I'll be taking my C43 on ever since I got the intakes installed. And man, I must say, it is a game changer. It's like it steps the theater up a lot more than it was before. Never a dull moment with this car. Stock, modified. Yeah, these intakes are a step up for sure. A must have if you want to modify your C43. Let me know down below, you guys, should I go stage 2 or should I keep it stage 1 plus with the high flow catted downpipes? I've been thinking of adding high flow catted downpipes to the C43 just to change the sound profile a little bit. I'm not a big fan of the catless downpipes just because of the smell, but I know it does add a lot of power, like a significant amount of power compared to just the high flow catted downpipes. That's an M3, nice. And a 911 in front of us, beautiful, beautiful. If you guys like what you're seeing so far, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe below, hit the subscribe button, share, and leave a comment down below. What cars you guys want to see next on my channel? I am expecting a Maxton design front lip as well. Man, it's gonna transform the look of this car with the intakes and everything. I can't wait, I can't wait. I'm gonna be making a video on that as soon as it gets to me, so turn your notification bell on for that.